Bharti Airtel has announced reduction in roaming rates by up to 60%. For more details, let's go across to Smita Bhattacharya, our research analyst. Smita, what are the details of this new slashed rates? And clearly a lot of this tariff war is still brewing.
Airtel's new turbo plan slashes roaming rates by close to 60%, around 60 paise per minute for own network calls and 80 paise per minute for other network calls. Now we've done a bit of calculation to figure out how much of profitability squeeze the Bharti Airtel will see after this. It's already facing significant squeeze on profitability after introducing the 1 paise per second tariff rate, the pulse rate. Now earlier the second quarter revenue per minute was around 56 paise, and after introducing the 1 paise per second, it was estimated to be lower by close to 40 to 47 paise. Now roaming revenues per minute constitute close to 4 to 5 paise out of this 50 paise. So if we take a 60% drop, we find the new lower roaming rate to be around 40-45 paise, and if you compare with the cost per minute, which is taken to be an average of 35 paise, the spread or the new operating profit per minute comes to be around 5 to 10 paise, which is almost half of what was reported in the second quarter of around 20 paise per minute. So the EBITDA, the operating profit, is almost halved. So you can see the kind of profitability squeeze the company will have after introducing these tariffs. Now the only saving grace happens to be the strong subscriber additions. Bharti has managed to maintain its market share, and it only remains to be seen if that will compensate for the significant drop in average revenue per user. But I talked to most analysts, and they concur on the fact that a bottom is still yet to come.